This video is going to guide you how you can download Microsoft Excel for Windows computers. Microsoft products allow us to use them either directly online or also download it to our desktop. It all depends on the task in hand. So this video is going to show you how you can download the actual Excel or Word applications to your Windows desktop. Make sure you've got your sign in to your either school Office 365 account, or if you are using work account, or maybe even personal Microsoft accounts. Okay, let's start. Just before we dive into Excel installation, check out my channel. I include so many videos about ChatGPT and how much fun you can have using it on a day-to-day basis. Our option 1 is using Microsoft Store. This option is very easy to use. All you need to do is click on the Windows Start button, then search for Microsoft Store. Once when the Microsoft Store opens, input Office 365. And once when you identify the actual official Office 365 installation, just download it. In my case, I have it already downloaded, so I cannot, but in your case, it should give you the option to download. Our last and second option, how you can download Excel or Microsoft Word directly to your Windows desktop, is by going directly to office.com. You will have a couple of options how to access it online, and one will be just simply typing into Google Office 365 login, or just type in office.com into the URL section. Then once when you log in, what will happen is, of course, you have to use either your school account if this is for your assignment, or work account, and so you should know your email and also password. Once when it goes through the authentication, if you look at the top right hand corner, you will have a button called Installed Applications, and once when you open the drop down menu, it will tell you it's for Microsoft 365 apps, and you can download it to your desktop. The download should be immediate, and all you have to do then, once when it downloaded, click on the Office Setup, and it will navigate you through all the steps to have it installed on your desktop. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you find it useful. But before you go, check out my next video where it will show you how anyone can build their own ChatGPT. Have lots of fun, and I'll see you next time. Ciao!